welcome to my garden. So these are my babies. Pakita ko sa inyo, these are my babies. So I have peach pink rose, red rose, yellow rose, another red rose, yellow, peach, peach pink, another peach pink. Love, 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 love my roses. See, love them. I collect them on my begonia. These are where they live and grow with me. These are all my squash, cucumber, beans, peppers, sweet pepper, hot pepper, spicy, beans, and my tomatoes with flowers na. And I have my more peppers and my herbs. This is rosemary, and I have my lemongrass. Pinapa roots ko. See, the roots is coming out. And we go here. Ito yung mga pechay ko na naulanan. And my onions. My lettuce. Go outside. More tomatoes. And peppers and squash. We go to the backyard. These are all my herbs. Tomatoes, peppers, squash, saloyot, alapate, and more here. This is my water. Running water goes here. And this is my backyard with all my squash with flowers, and there's fruits already. I'll show you where the fruit is. Here's the fruit. See the fruit? It's coming. There you go. It's getting there. More squash, zucchini, cucumber, more peppers, more tomatoes, peppers, squash, zucchini, and I have my sayote here. Sayote, pinagapang ko siya, climbing into the branches, and my okra, and I have more beans there growing, and cucumber. There. Then I'll show you the rest of my beans. So this is, look at my beans. They're flowers and fruits now, see? And more peppers. This is my life here in Canada. With all the, there we go. These are the big trees in my backyard. See how big they are? Probably they're like 50 years old. So that's my life here in Canada, having all my vegetables during summer. So this is until mga October. Then is the harvest season and then winter. So, yan. Put in all my water, sprinkle. That's it. This is my relaxing there. And I'll keep you update once all these vegetables ready fruits. That's it. That's my life here. Hi everyone, it's garden time day. So I'm going to show you for 2 weeks plus to my first video. Papakita ko sa inyo after 2 weeks kung ano na naman ang nangyayari. So here we go. After 2 weeks, this is what my garden looks like now. I can see fruits now. See the fruits, more flowers. See, so I can see the fruits. There's lots of flowers now. Those are peppers. Lots of buds. Lots of flowers. There. There, and my rose here, they're really doing well right now. So we're gonna go out and check out. Look at that. This is eaten by birds. They love to eat the leaves of my Swiss chard. So we're gonna go out and look at outside. There we go. They're growing. Morning, yeah, look at that. These are zucchini. Look at the flowers. And the fruits. See? I'll show you. It's growing. Look at that. See? Calabasa, squash. And there's more. See? More there. This is what keeps me busy. I'm always busy with my garden. They're all that's all my hard work. After 2 weeks, another 2 weeks after. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. After my kitchen, we're gonna go to my garden. So, siguro nagtataka ako, nagtatanong kayo, ano ang daily ginagawa ko dito sa bahay, dito sa Canada? Being retired nurse and just teaching and doing my books. So today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako magawa ng putumaya dito sa Canada. Yes, may putumaya kami. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo very quickly. Okay? Ito yung mixture ko ng malagkit na purple at malagkit na puti. Okay? I soak it for 3 hours. Kailangan mo talagang isok ng matagal yung, lalo na yung purple malagkit dahil matagal siyang maluto. So, I soak it for 3 hours. I steam it for 20 minutes. So, half cook ito ngayon. Ang gata dito sa Canada, wala kaming niyog dito sa Canada na aakyatin mo or fresh niyog. Minsan, puro frozen. So, ang teknik ko paggawa ng sarili kong putumaya is, tadan! My coconut oil. Yummy, 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 yummy. This big jar lasts me more than a year na to sa akin. Could you imagine? And I bought it for like 1,500 pesos for this big jar. Hindi ko alam kung gaano ito kalaki. Wala namang makita kung ilang mil. Oh, 2.4 liters. Ganun kalaki siya, see? Bigger than my face. So, nilagyan ko siya ng mga 3 kutsarang coconut oil. At nag-caramelize ako ng brown sugar here. So, I also put like half a cup of brown sugar. Ay, ang putumaya kasi lalo na part of Visayas and Mindanao, hindi siya matamis. Okay? So, I don't want it too sweet. So, ready for wrapping na to. So, this is half cook. Okay? Half cook. Na may caramelized na sugar na, may, when I boil this caramelized sugar, lagyan ko siya ng luya. Kasi sa pag Bisaya ka or part of Mindanao, pag ang putumaya mo ay walang luya, is not as tasty, right? So I just wrap it. I don't wrap it too tight. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kasi half cook pa siya eh. Nagaano pa siya na tutubo pa siya, meaning mag-expand pa siya. So, after I tie this one, i-steam ko siya siguro mga 20 minutes steam. You can also boil it. And then, kaulam niyan is tsokolate, hot chocolate o kape. Yan yung the best na pinakamabilis na technique na ginagawa ko dito sa Canada, no? Kahit nandito ako sa Canada. And beside me, nag-atsara ako kanina, sinipag ako sa dami ko kasing mga harvest sa garden ko na mga pepper, yellow pepper, kaya napag-isipan kong mag-atsara ako. So itong atsara na ito, very hot pa siya. Yung jar na to very hot pa kasi inano ko siya, I boil it for 20 minutes, sterilize it for 20 minutes para abot siya ng 2 taon o 1 taon. But for me and my husband, we can eat 1 jar for a month, 1 jar for another month, at saka minsan namimigay ako sa mga kapitbahay kong Pilipino. So far, yan ang from my kitchen. And dahil nakikita nyo kanina yung kalabasa ko, see, my kalabasa soup. My kalabasa soup with my talbos ng sili. Nilagyan ko talbos ng sili. And dilis. Dahil yun lang naman ang makuha ko dito sa Canada. Yung dilis. So, ito yung pinagpaguran kong kalabasa. Ang tamis, malabo. So, next time, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung siguro mid-harvest sa mga garden ko and see more things about how I prepared preserved food that can last for a year. Bye for now.